Pyare Hazur, in our garden we grow fruit and vegetables. Hazur, is it suitable to use pesticides on these plants?
If your garden is an organic garden, then don't use it. If you don't want to make it an organic garden, then you can use pesticide. But there are some other ways also to save your plants from pests, right? And insects. You can burn some dry leaves or dry wood chips and then make some ash and spread that ash on them, on the plants. The insect will not come on the plants. Okay? Or if you Asian have neem leaves, you can ask your relatives living in India or Pakistan to get you green neem leaves. And then you dry those neem leaves and boil them in water and then spray those neem water on the plants. That will also save your plants from insects. So if it is an organic. Otherwise, you can use it if you are harvesting. In your vegetable garden, even you can pick insects from your hands, with your hands. Right? Okay. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.